Welcome students. We'll continue with the practice set 2.1, the fourth problem. So here they have given determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. First we'll understand what do you mean by the roots of the equation. Now for any quadratic equation is given plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Any quadratic equation is given and along with that the values, certain values of x will be given. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. So like this value of x will be given. You have to check whether it is a root of the quadratic equation. Now to check whether it is a root of the, first what is the root of a quadratic equation? Any value of x which satisfies the equation. That means when you substitute x value, if LHS and RHS are equal, then such type of values of x is called as the root of the equation. So here if you want to check whether these are the roots of the equation, you have to substitute x value as 1 and check whether the left hand side and the right hand sides are equal. Then you have to verify whether minus 1 is the root. So again you have to substitute x is equal to minus 1 and check whether LHS and RHS are equal. So we'll take the practice set 2.1, the fourth question. The first problem. The equation given is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And you have to verify whether x is equal to 1, comma, minus 1 are the roots of the equation. So to verify whether it is the roots of the equation, first you have to substitute x as 1, then you have to substitute x as minus 1 and check whether LHS and RHS are equal. So to start with, put x is equal to 1 in left hand side. Short form we can write it LHS. So what is LHS here? LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Only LHS you take. That is only the left hand side you write the equation. And in this equation go on substituting x as 1. So you get 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. So you get 1 plus 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So you got LHS is equal to 0. And on the right hand side what you got? You already got it as 0. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of the equation. So like this you have to write the answer. Now next they are given one more value as minus 1. So for that what you have to do, now you have to put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in LHS. So again write what is the LHS. X square plus 4x minus 5. So when you substitute the value what you get? Minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5 you get. Minus 1 square will become 1, plus into minus is minus 4 minus 5. So here minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. So here on LHS you have got minus 8 and on RHS you have got 0. So what you have to write? LHS is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not a root of the equation. So like this substitute the values and verify whether LHS and RHS are equal. 2m square minus 5m equal to 0. You have to verify whether m is equal to 2 and 5 upon 2 is the root of the equation. So for that we are going to put m is equal to 2 in LHS. So you got LHS is equal to 2m square minus 5m. So 2 bracket m is 2 square 5 into 2. 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 10 which is equal to minus 2. So you get LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 2 is not a root of the equation. Same way now you have to substitute M is equal to 5 upon 2. LHS is equal to 2m square minus 5m. So that is 2 into 5 upon 2 whole square. 5 into 5 upon 2 you get. So here you get 2 into 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 2. Cancel it. So you get 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, which will be equal to 0. So you have to write, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore M is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of the equation. So like this you have to verify whether it is the root of the equation or not. Now you have got the next type of problem where they given the root and you have to find out the value of an unknown term which is given in the equation. So the fifth problem, they are given if find k if x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation. They have given an equation and they have given the root of the equation. You need to find out what is the value of k. So the equation given is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, and they have told that x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation and you have to find out what is the value of k. So since x is the root of the equation, you have to substitute x is equal to 3 in the given equation and find out what is the value of k. Since x is equal to 3 is the root, put x is equal to 3 in the given equation. So what is the given equation? Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here substitute x as 3, 10 into 3, 3 square is 9, so you get this as 9k minus 30 plus 3 equal to 0. So you get 9k minus 27 equal to 0. 9k is equal to 27, or you get the value of k is equal to 27 upon 9 3 times. So you get the value of k is equal to 3. So this is how you find out the value of an unknown term which is given in the equation when the root is given. Substitute in place of the variable, substitute whatever is the root, go on simplifying and find out what is the value of k.